understand. The first stage in any design process is to define the problem you're going to solve. This is one of the most important steps because you can't design anything if you don't know what you're trying to do. In this case, the problem we're trying to solve involves building a robot to compete in the 2011-2012 VEX Robotics competition game, Gateway. We need to figure out a way to win matches against other robots playing this game. So how do we do this? First, we need to figure out how the game is going to play out. Like any sport, winning matches in VEX Gateway is based on scoring more points than your opponent. We need to figure out all the ways a robot can score points, and we need to figure out all the ways we're allowed to stop our opponents from scoring points. Each year, the VEX Robotics competition produces an animation which showcases the basic gameplay. This is a good starting point to understanding the game. After watching the animation, we need to review the written rules manual, which is much more in-depth and will provide details about VEX Gateway. Part of the VEX Gateway manual is the list of robot rules. We definitely need to read this list of restrictions to determine how we're allowed to build our robot. What components are legal on the robot? How many motors are we allowed to use on our robot? How big is our robot allowed to be? Is there a maximum weight allowance for the robot? These are all important factors as we define our problem and begin to understand our design.